Hi guys, Lee from Deep in Cleaning. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I've got an end of tenancy clean at a 2-bedroom apartment in Peterborough. That includes the oven, hob and extractor, bathrooms, kitchen, dishwasher and fridge freezer. There's a couple of carpets to do as well. So I'm not sure if I'm going to show you all of the clean within this video, but I'll show you some of the highlights and some before and afters at the end. If anything is of interest, go to my website to see it. I'll put it along the bottom of the screen along here. It's deepincleaning.co.uk. If you like this video, then please click like. It just makes it more aware for other people to see. They might find it of interest as well. And if you like this kind of video, click subscribe, and every 3 or 4 days I put a new video up. It might be something again of interest to you. But all my details at the end of the video, if you're interested in a clean, that could be ovens, carpets, upholstery, end of tenancy and half floor cleaning. Give me a bell, hopefully speak to you soon. I hope you enjoy the video. Cheers. Right, so we're on to the oven first of all. Extractor hood, a few smear marks there where someone you can see has tried to clean it but just left white marks, and likewise down the back of the backsplash there you can see all the wavy lines where someone's just wiped it down with a damp cloth. We'll get all that looking like new. The oven top itself, again you can see all the lines where someone just wiped it down. We'll give that a proper clean and polish with some glass cleaner. Coming into the oven, I've seen much worse, but you can see there on the back all the grime and the food and the waste that needs to come away. So yeah, we'll get cracking. Oh, just before I forget, you'll notice I take the door off. I also take all the back piece off there to get into the fan. You'll see that looks nice and clean afterwards. And the door's just there where I'll take it to pieces and make sure that all the glass is clean inside and out. So yeah, I'll crack on. Cheers. Right, so I've just done the top of the extractor and everything there. Just coming down the backsplash, you'll see here, if you can see in the light, that's what the backsplash looked like when I arrived here. You can see someone's tried to clean it. There's all smear marks down it. I've done the top half now, so you can see the difference between a professional clean and someone obviously just trying to do it themselves. You know, it was probably really filthy before, and that might have looked fantastic, but it doesn't look as good as that. So yeah, I'll crack on. Right, so that's the oven hob and extractor all finished. See, they're all nice and shiny underneath. Looking good. Backsplash finished. Oh, let's get that in focus. Here we go. You can see oven sorted, oven top sorted. Then we come down to the oven, nice and clean along the front, and then inside. Glass nice and clean, see my hand through there, and in the oven itself, all bright and shiny. Cool. Right, I'm just about to get working on the kitchen. Thought I'd show you this sink. See around there, it's all quite watermarked. You can see there, look at the draining board. So yeah, just got to get rid of all that. The marks in the sink. And here's the worst bits. There we go. So yeah, come back in a second. Right. Bit of graph later. You can see it shining there. Looks like a new sink. And the taps. Here, lovely and clean. Inside the sink. There. Alright, I'm just cleaning through the dishwasher at the moment, and here's, if you look there where the waste goes, that's this here. As you can see, there's quite a bit of grot and mess on there. we'll get that cleaned up and get it sparkling. There we are, all nice and clean. Much better than it was before. Turn it over. You see as well on this side. All nice and shiny. Ready to go back into there. Right, so the ensuite's all done. As you can see there, chrome all nice and sparkling. All the little black bits that normally stick around the head of a shower are all gone. Again with the second nozzle there, you can see the chrome all bright and shiny. Obviously the shower pan all done. The glass, lovely, bright and clean. Then we come round to the mirror, backsplash and taps. Again, more shiny tap work there. Toilet, lift this up. So nice and clean it is in there. And then we come round to the toilet roll holder. Towel rail done. I'll mop this floor shortly once I've done the carpet clean in here. But yeah, that's the ensuite finished. Right, pretty much last job of the day. We've got these carpets to do. You can see where the bed used to go, just there. And then you've got all the trail marks, traffic marks around it. Because it's the last job of the day and I'm going to be leaving this place closed up, I'm going to use a low moisture method, encapsulation, to do the clean. This carpet's not the worst I've seen. There's a bit of traffic here going out to the door. You can see the grey line coming in and there, so we'll aim to get rid of that. And then we come through to the second bedroom. Now, I'm not sure what's happened in here, but this carpet, same synthetic carpet. You can see there's some red here that needs to be removed. We'll get rid of that. There's a few little marks, sort of muddy marks really, all over the place on this one. See there, but the main bit of concern is you can see where the bed used to be, just here, and down this side, if you can see there, look, it's just brown. They spilled a cup of coffee or what, but we'll certainly do our best to get rid of that. If it is teal coffee, it could be permanent, but I've got a few chemicals, we'll give it a go. Yeah, see how we get on. Right, so the carpets are done. So they're done with low moisture, so they're pretty much dry now. So with leaving the property with the windows closed and everything, it's not going to be any issues with a lingering smell or any issues with them drying, because they're dry. So yeah, they're all done. Come through here, you see the traffic line's pretty much gone. You always get wear on a carpet, you can't clean wear, but you can certainly take all the dirt out, which just happened. In this room here, there were loads of little marks everywhere. You can see, I think on the previous video I pointed out some red areas. All those pinky areas are just from one red area. It's bizarre how much it was actually down deep into the pile. You can see the brown stains there were from that far corner over there. But yeah, you can see now much cleaner. That corner, all the brown that was there is now gone. All the red, there was loads of marks over here that are gone, and the red that was down there somewhere, that's all gone as well. So yeah, another job well done. Just got to get the rotary machine and all the other bits and bobs downstairs, mop the floors, and we're out of here. Thanks a lot.